What's up, guys? Wanted to do one more quick video on another squeeze play that I'm looking to jump into tomorrow morning, and that is PTPI. I've been playing this one more so day trading it since about late November, but mostly for the month of December. It's had some really big volatile days, but the short interest still looks pretty decent on this one. It's still sitting somewhere around 20% shorted. Cost to borrow is like 350. Utilization's not as high. I think it's in the high 80s. But what really turned me on to this play is that they're adding in an options chain tomorrow. So let me see here. All right, we're looking at a daily chart right now. As you can see, going all the way back to November 22nd, where it was at a bottom of 119. It has ripped up twice and touched this 520 level. Kind of came back down each time, but it has been seeing higher lows each time, and it still looks like it's trending upwards. So for me, I would have stuck this out and just kept day trading it. But like I said, the inclusion of options, float size on this is relatively small. I think it's about 6.5 million. And we've seen with a lot of these other plays, low float plays, extremely low float plays, that when options get involved and people start buying up options, it has the potential to really get some explosive moves. Now, I should say this as well. The inclusion of options could also add for more manipulation, which could send this thing tanking down fast. So keeping that in mind, for me, I'm going to be looking to probably exit this thing probably below $3. I may even give it a little bit of time, maybe look at like 280, 290. Is like, if all of a sudden it tanks down like down there, I'm out. I'll look to enter back in if we get above 350 or if it changes or reverses the trend or whatever. But, that's going to be kind of like my mental stop loss. But what I'm looking at here is with the option chain, like I said, they did add it in. You got, it looks like they got a $1 through $6 strike. We're going to have January 21, February, May, and August chains. And these should be active tomorrow morning. So, I had some people ask me already, because I did throw this on the Discord, that I was going to be making this video, I think on Friday or something like that. But anyways, what strike are you going to get? All that kind of stuff. I mean, one, there's not too many options. But two, I have no idea what the IV is going to be like, anything like that. But I do think that with the sentiment behind this stock, it's been squeezing for a while. There's a lot of people that have eyes on it. If all of a sudden we do see a ton of call volume coming in on this tomorrow, it could get this thing moving really fast, especially considering how small the float is. So depending on where IV's at, I would much rather like to get something a little bit further out, maybe give myself 54 days going into February, or maybe even into May. And really that's just for the time premium, right? I mean, I still am going to be looking to cut this thing if it goes down, but it gives a little bit more time premium in case, we get a big explosion and I still want to hold it out a little bit longer. How high can it go? Recently we saw with this stock, 520 a couple times with the chain that goes to 6. It looks like it even hit 520 back here too. So I would expect some resistance there if it kept going, but options could be the fuel to finally get it to rally past that. It all depends on what happens tomorrow. I'm going to have my eyes on this one along with some of the other plays that I've been looking at. I am entering into this play regardless tomorrow. If I don't like what I see on the chain and it's too expensive, I'll be going in with shares. Either way, I just wanted to throw this on everyone's radar. I'll be putting out another video on this likely tomorrow after we see where the call volume that comes in and all that kind of stuff. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys later.